Welcome to our mini lesson on author's craft. And here we have two of our favorite authors, Brian Selznick and Pam Munoz-Ryan. So what is author's craft? Just like a woodworker uses many tools and techniques to craft a piece of furniture, a writer uses tools and techniques to craft a piece of writing. Author's craft includes many different techniques. It could be voice, show not tell, sensory details, dialogue, inner dialogue, spicy words, literary devices, how they organize their writing, their fluency for their sentences. It includes so much. We are learning about author's craft because we can learn from other authors to make ourselves better writers and actually better readers. Many professions learn from when they're trying to perfect their work. They learn from other people in their profession. As a teacher, I learn from other teachers, doctor learns from other doctors, and writers learn from other writers. So we are going to be studying the craft of other writers to become better readers and writers. Alma Florada, also one of our favorite writers, we are going to be looking at some examples of author's craft and really identifying what is it. So one type of author's craft is voice. What is voice? Voice is the unique quality, tone, or style that jumps off the page in a given piece of writing. In a narrative piece of writing, like an anecdote or a short story, the voice belongs to the character, not the author. In other pieces of writing, the voice belongs to the writer, but in both cases, the author is the one who creates that voice. In narrative texts, like in Wonderstruck or Becoming Naomi Leon, we see voice in many ways. Through the point of view of the character, through the view of their world, their attitudes, their feelings and beliefs, the words they speak and the thoughts they ponder and the actions they make. Authors have created this voice by making sure they develop their character and making sure that every word, phrase, and sentence they write aligns with the character's age, personality, experience, religion, everything. Always remember that writing that has a strong voice has personality. It has color, emotion. Characteristics of writing with strong voice, it shows writer's personality, contains feelings and emotions. It sounds different from everyone else's writing. The words really come to life, and it comes from the heart. It's honest and it's personal. Think about it. What emotions might an author show in their writing? How does the author show traits of a character and how the character acts and feels? You want to try this in your writing. So our learning targets for voice. What should you be able to do if you are a master at including voice in your writing? I can write in an honest, personal, and engaging way. I can use topic, details, and language to strongly connect with the reader. I can take risks with revealing details. I can reflect the purpose of my writing with the content and organization of my ideas. I can show a strong understanding of the topic. So if you can do all of these things, it means you're writing with voice. Now it's your turn. You're going to identify voice as you're reading Wonderstruck, your JRB, or Becoming Naomi Leon, and notice what's the voice that the author is using and how did they create it? And then you're going to write with voice. In your personal anecdotes, think about how you can incorporate it. And here are some ways. You're going to incorporate voice in a variety of ways with show not tell, sensory details, dialogue, inner dialogue, spicy words, literary devices, and how you organize your writing. Here are some literary devices you can use, and if you're not sure what these are, look them up. Teach them to the class. We've talked about metaphors, personification, similes, repetition. We're going to talk about motifs and mood and themes, onomatopoeia. There's so many different ways to make your writing interesting, which is how you can start to make your writing have voice. So now it's your turn. Think about the literary devices you can use, the details you can reveal, the emotions, the risks that you can take, the imagery, the personification. And you're going to try to include voice in your personal narrative and in all of your writing from now on.